I have found the manual on the web, very straightforward. Overall, a very easy microphone to use. And up here, it's got a sound enhancing acoustic chamber. And here, it got mounting screws. And on the front, we got controls for mic gain, headphone volume. Or here on the rear, it depends on how. It got 4 recording pattern indicator. It's this one up here. Got a control panel with LED indicator mode and mute. Very easy to use. USB Type-C connection, plug and play. Well, it's USB in the beginning. Universal mounting screw for microphone stands. Find it here. And it's also possible to change the color. Very cool. It's got a 3.5mm audio jack. It's up here. And it's a 3-meter braided USB Type-C cable. It's this one. And here we have the modes described. Cardio, stereo, bidirectional, omnidirectional. It's hard for me to say anything about the sound quality. I have to try it out. I will upload the sound in the video. And here they show how to connect it. It's very easy. Also tells what to do if it doesn't work. I could see that the computer recognized it as a speaker, but it was easy to change. And here we have Deutsch. Swedish, Chinese, don't know if it's Mandarin. Overall, It's a very nice microphone to use. This one is a used one, and I bought it for half the price. So I can truly recommend it in user design perspective, but I can't tell anything about the sound quality. So it's up to you and your speakers. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Cardio 1, 2, 3. Cardio 1, 2, 3. Stereo 1, 2, 3. Stereo 1, 2, 3. Double 1, 2, 3. Double 1, 2, 3. Omni 1, 2, 3.